In this video, I'll show you how to create these beautiful and engaging slides for your presentations that will be sure to impress your audience. So stay tuned and watch the entire video to learn how to create these beautiful slides. Okay, let's start by first inserting our background picture. So go to Insert tab and then on the picture select the option you want. In my case, I'm going to insert a picture from my computer. Once you've inserted the picture, crop it to the aspect ratio 16:9. You can then edit the crop settings so that your main focus is in the center. Now move your image to the corner and resize it so that it fills the entire screen. Now let's insert a table. So go to the Insert tab and then from the table option select a 7:5 table. Move it to the corner and then resize it so that it fills the entire screen. And then go to the Table Design tab and then under the Shading option select No Fill and then No Borders. Now to make those cells white, select your preferred cells that need to be white. Then in the Shading tab, select the white fill color. You can do this for your preferred cells. Right, now let's add our text. So go to the Insert tab and then under the Shapes menu, select the text box option. From there, drag out the text box and write your heading in it. In my case, it will be leopards. Now, you can format it to your liking. I'm going to select a custom font called Lexan Deca and in the extra bold, and then I'm going to select a bigger font size. Now I'm gonna move the heading to the right side of my slide, just like so. Now I'm gonna make a duplicate of it and then I'm gonna select the light version of the font and then I'm gonna decrease the size. Now you can enter your body paragraph or the information you want to be there. In my case, I'm using the lorem ipsum. Now highlight your text and then select right alignment, just like so. Now you can tidy up the text box size and then finally group the text box together and then you're done with the first slide. Now duplicate your first slide and then move the table aside. Now we can change our background photo. The first way is to delete that photo and then go to the Insert tab and select a picture once again. So there's an easier way, which is going to the Picture Format tab, then clicking on this little button here and then selecting the option you want to change your picture. In my case, from my device. So I'll select this picture of an elephant and then I'm gonna flip it horizontally and then move your table back into place so that it covers the entire slide, just like this. Now select the entire table and then once again select No Fill. Now select the cells you want to be white and then click on the Shading option and select the white fill color. Now let's reposition our text and change the alignment so that it fits with our new style. I'm also gonna change the leopard's title to elephants. Change the alignment to left alignment for both of the text. Now you can make some small adjustments or tweaks to your text so that it fits the formatting style that you want it to be. Now you can do the previous steps for the rest of the slides. Once you're done with the 3 slides, select the second and third slides and then go to the transitions tab and then select the checkerboard transition from the drop down. And then you're done with the slide designing. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it, and then don't forget to drop a like and make sure to hit the subscribe button so that I can keep on creating more videos just like this in the future.